Azalea going into Alexander.
Or Adam 87 is actually behind this van. They're in Alexander at Don Parker at West Azalea. We're trying to get at Alexander and out of their vehicle
Show me your hands now! Show me your hands! TVI, West Alexander, West Azalea and Alexander, Highway 111. With your left hand, open your door. With your left hand! Hey, one person with commands. With your left hand, open the door. Listen to me! With your left hand, open the door! Hey, walk over around me. Walk around to me so we can get him out. Keep your hands where we can see them now. Do not move your hands. You understand me? Keep do not move your hands. Jacob. Jacob, do not move. Do you understand me? My car and back it up. Stop moving. I have 2 Alexander units out with me. Hey, hold these cuffs while I transition. Yeah. Go ahead, it's unlocked.
Thank you.
Do not move. Put it in park. Put it in park.
I had it neutral, sir.
You got his hands, you're gonna Stop. We're done.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
You just got out of jail. We just arrested you.
I'm looking for my brother, that's it. I'm sorry.
So you steal a car?
Yes. I don't know if he did or not. I gotta go find him. You know how my brothers are.
Step out of the car.
Out. Yes,
Step
sir.
out of the car.
Yes, sir.
Turn away, face away from me.
Yes, sir. I think I thought you was.
You should have thought about that before you try to run from us.
Listen here.
Listen here to nothing.
Okay.
You kidding me right now? Listen here to nothing. The only person that should be listening is you. Right now you're being placed in arrest for theft of stolen vehicle. Or theft in the vehicle, okay? Put your feet.
Yes, sir. Be careful. I've had surgery, sir. I've had surgery. My leg's hurt.
Walk back here to me. Walk back here to my car.
Yes, sir. See, they don't understand about working 6 days, 7 days a week.
You'll get to the hospital. They'll clear you. You'll get to
Yes, sir.
Right.
I'll be at the. My legs.
You want to put him? No, I'll transport him to the jail.
I mean, it's okay. Whichever jail.
Since I chased him, I'll do.
Okay. My fucking ankle. Please call my mother.
No,
check on my dog.
10:15.
You ain't going to
decided.
Hey,
You should have. Stand by on 10:11. I only may want to come pick it up.
Just
Look at that issue.
Yes.
Turn around and sit butt first.
Let's see if I can. My back.
See if you can. You just drove that car like you didn't have nothing wrong with you.
But I was sitting down, sir. I promise.
Have a seat.
After 6 days.
Kick your feet in.
Hold on.
I'm tired of listening to it.
I don't want to
Turn around and sit in.
back hot.
Slide back.
I'm trying. Hold on. Shit. Blister.
What can I do to help you? All you're doing is whining right now. What do you want me to do to help you?
I just need to check blood pressure, sir. That's it.
All right, well, I'll take you to the hospital. Yeah, because I got to take him to the hospital anyways to be cleared, so. Let me take a couple pictures real quick. Hey, we're 10:15, Jester. Do you hear me? I'll pull it up real quick.
I'm sure gonna move mine out.
Okay, appreciate it, man. Did he give y'all his name and date of birth? Okay.
He seems to know him.
Did he give you his date of birth and stuff?
I've got his date of birth.
Let me stop this camera.